You've got your nose to the grindstone day in and day out, and your schedule is completely full. But what if you've been missing opportunities that have been flying by unnoticed? We know you don't have the time or energy to pore over Forex charts and research each trade. But what if you had a professional trader do all of the analysis for you and provide consistent, profitable results week after week? If you're a serious investor looking for someone to help you find successful trades, then you need the FXA Signal service. It's a set-and-forget service that gives you more time to do the things you love. No more hovering over your phone or computer waiting for the best time to trade. No more researching for the best options. We provide a professional approach to profitable Forex trading. We send you an email on Sunday with trade setups for the week in front of you. When the markets open, all you have to do is enter the trades and then come back on Friday evening to close out the positions. It only takes 30 minutes and you're good to go. It's an incredibly smooth and straightforward approach to finding the best trades on the Forex market. These are the same trades we send to our high net worth clients. And when you buy now, we'll guarantee results if you follow our trades for 900 pips every 90 days. Discover a better way to trade with the FXA Signal service. Sign up today.